Good day, folks, good day.
Well guys, when you're an old rock and roller like me and getting older by the day, there comes a time when things have got to change. Check it out. Yep, that's right guys. It's time to go from this to this. You got it. A Boss pedal board.
Welcome to all my new subscribers. Good to have you on board, guys. Let's rock.
Okay, what we got here guys, let's have a little look. There we are, the lid pops off through some latches here. Okay, let's have a look, let's check it out. Okay, right, not too technical. Alright, got a few bits here. There's the power lead into it, which will be a lot easier. Yep, that's the power cable. Okay, that's good. All the connectors there for the pedals. Some pop out panels as well. Okay, so this is the Boss BCB60 pedal board. This is like going from 1976 to 2020 within seconds. So anyway, let's see how she looks. Let's get rocking. Guys, one of the reasons why I'm getting out of my comfort zone, believe it or not, this is my comfort zone. I've been doing this for 45 years. But one of the main reasons why I've gone modern, as I would call it, is that I've gone and invested in a Boss wireless system, the WL50. The reason being is that my current Samsung unit is just literally falling to bits, and you can't get any of the little didgeridoos to put in your guitar. So I've decided to go modern and get a whole new kit to house all these pedals. Plus I've been getting some connector leads break on me as well, and I'm sure you'll probably write in the comments I'm not surprised. But anyway, this is how us old rock and rollers did it. Mainly because we didn't even have any pedal boards when I started in 1976. So there we go, rock and roll. The main reason why I wanted to pedal board is because I've bought the pedal version of a guitar wireless system. So I thought, well, it all makes sense to put it and house it in a proper case now. So here we go. Okay guys, I've pulled out these inserts, as you see. I think I've only got 5 pedals. And so, and obviously the pedals fit nicely, very nicely in there like that. And they're pretty sturdy, especially when the lid's on. And I've also got this cable hider, little channel there, to put all the cables, connecting cables and power cables to each pedal. So all in all, so far so good. So I've got 5 short 1/4 inch jack connector cables, and I've got 3 long ones. Okay, now I don't use a wah-wah or volume pedal, but if you did have a wah-wah volume pedal, then you've certainly got no worries about fitting one in there, because that's where it would go. Okay, nearly there guys, nearly there. This is it, and the beauty about this system is it's the same size as a Boss pedal.
Okay guys, here we go, here we have it. So the front of the case, you've got these latches here. Okay, so they just literally slide back. Okay, and then the top, the lid just pops off. So all I'm going to do now is just bang this down and it'll come straight off. There we go, there's the lid. Happy days. Okay, there we have it. There's the rig guys, all set up. So to start with, there's my wireless system. Alright, I've actually done 3 gigs with this now, and it has actually been superb. Just getting my head around having all my pedals enclosed in a case now, but I must say it's been fantastic. So I'm really pleased that I've got it and set it all up. So then I've got my tuner, compression sustainer. I've got a phase 90. I'm sure you Floyd fans will know why I've got that, and I'll give you a demo shortly. I've got a bit of a mid boost going on there for solos, or if I want a bit more mid in the mix. And then of course I've got my digital delay as well. So there we go. So that's pretty much it, and it is so simple to set up. All right, and for those beer drinkers out there, that means an extra pint or 2 in the time that it takes you to set up than what it did before. All right, so all I pretty much do is I'll put the power straight into there, output an amplifier jack straight into the amplifier, and that's it. Radio, transmitter straight into the guitar, I'm good to go. How simple is that? Hey? And obviously the case protects all the pedals, and all the settings remain the same. So I'm really chuffed with that. So let's hear how it sounds. Okay guys, we're here. Okay, so I've got all these things set up now, so we're ready to roll. There is my wireless, as I mentioned earlier. The amplifier cable goes from the output there straight into the input of the amp. I'll put the tuner on because that mutes it as well. So in she goes. Okay, so the minute I plug this little soldier into my guitar from the Boss WL50, then we're good to go. We're ready to rock. You can see the beauty about the wireless system is that I don't need the input and the send inputs over there. So because this is coming straight from the receiver straight to the guitar. You see, it's all very simple guys, because when I arrive at a gig, I just put the board on the stage. All the pedals are all connected. Okay, they're all powered up. I connect the mains power to the mains power. Voila. One cable, because I'm going wireless, I only need one cable straight into the front of the amplifier, and happy days guys, happy days. Simple as that. And all these are all connected. Everything's cool and dandy. Beautiful. It doesn't get much simpler than that, and it's so much easier and quicker to set up. And we do have a fan. So there we are. Alright, so let's hear how she sounds. Alright, I'm going using everything through the wireless system, and so far very impressed with it. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, you are just going to love next videos that follow this. You're just going to love them. Alright, rock and roll. So I have my mute there, my tuner, a muter as I call it. Perfect. Compression sustainer, ready to rock and roll. And of course I've got this. Oh yeah. And of course I've got my mid boost before. And of course my digital delay. Okay, I'm going to plug this jacket into the guitar, and we're pretty much good to go guys, pretty much good to go. Very simple. Since I've got the pedal board set up, guys, I no longer need my old suitcase. That one that you saw when I started the video. But there are two little girls that seem to love it. So it's not going to go to waste. Check it out. Rock and roll.